Okay, so the George Carette Stirling engine, we've got a jigsaw of parts at the moment. Can you hear that? That's the RAF taking off. See if I can get it. There we go. Often get that. Right then, let's back to this. Yeah, stripped down. Nothing's cleaned yet. I just stripped it down. But initial impressions are there's a blockage in here because there should be gas should be able to get from this this cylinder to this cylinder. If I blow through the small cylinder, no matter what position that piston's in, I can't blow through. So there's a blockage in this pipe somewhere. So that should be quite easy to fix. I'll just drop the whole lot in the sonic bath and that will sort it. I don't think it's ever been repaired. Doesn't show any signs of repair, but you get a bit of carbon build up and that could do it. That's probably what it is. Bit of scowl. So this is the that's your tray, what for keeping your spirit in. That goes underneath there. It's all gonna have a proper clean up, and that's the bit that goes on the top. The chimney goes on. Chimney is soaking at the moment in rust eater. These all need cleaning up. I've got to be careful because I don't want to put. So you actually got stripes on there. Not too bad. I don't think if there was a stripe on there. You can just about see the stripe there. So once that's cleaned up, it might be able to show that a bit more. And then you've definitely got your stripes here. And there was originally on the others I've seen a badge there, and there's no badge on this one. You see the old crazed paint, so it just wants a gentle clean. No numbers or anything, can't see anything anyway. So that will be getting gentle clean. I can't see anything. Oh, there's a few marks on the piston, but I wouldn't say there's a significant wear there. I wouldn't say there's significant wear there. I would say that the reason it's not running is because that is blocked. So, it's only a quick one. I'll leave it there. I'm going to give it all a good clean. I'm sure you're not don't want to be bored to tears watching me just wash everything. And I'll come back when I've got this cleared out and got these cleaned up. So I'll leave it for there, guys, and we'll catch you later. Cheers. Right, I wanted to add this bit in, show you how lovely this is before I put it back together. What they've used 120 years ago for a seal is the twine in there, and it's still there. And I thought this just popped out, but it screws out. It's threaded. It's threaded in there. I've managed to clean this tube out, so that's free now. and there's a tiny little bit more twine to go in. So when I put the camera down, because it needs 2 hands to do it, I'll hold that in, screw that in, and that'll be sealed how it was in 1905. A bit of a clean up on the paintwork. I'm not prepared to go any more than that. Just soapy water. You can see there was some stripes there. This one. The stripes are more visible at the bottom, obviously, because that had the cleaning. At the top, where people have wiped it, we've lost the stripes, or almost lost the stripes. And on the bodywork, I think the bodywork's come up all right. I still need to do the wheel. I haven't done the wheel yet, or the brackets. But the bodywork, the main frame, I'm pretty pleased. So I'm going to put it back together now. But yeah, I wanted to show you that, how nice that is. And to use that seal. And you got here 3 shims, 3 little shims wrapped around that cylinder. So I'm going to leave it there. Just wanted to show you that because that was interesting to me, that that's still intact after 120 years. Anyway, I'll come back in a sec.